Hello guys, I'm Tim Klenk with MasterTech, America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, and renovation center. Today we got a brand new 2021 Newmar New Aire that has got it tricked out to the top of what the coach can go. We've got on this particular one, it's a shorter model, so the maximum solar panels is 1,290 watt panels. We're over 2,000 watts of solar on the top, and then combined in the belly of the beast, we've replaced the AGM batteries with 32,000 plus watt hours of lithium batteries. That's 4 batteries totaling 300 pounds. Those batteries already have gone through with trials and everything, and we are actually running both air conditioners through a 5,000 watt Victron inverter system. And again, I didn't say this earlier, but this is a 48 volt system, or commonly known as a 52 volt system at charge voltage. But combined and running down the road, this is an immaculate beast. Driving down the road, you got a 10,000 watt alternator system. You can run the entire coach, air conditioners, and everything else driving down the road and be fully sustainable with no generator operation at all. So then when you stop, you can run this system. You've heard it on the internet. Oh my God, I got these batteries and I can run for 2 hours air conditioner. No, we're running 2 air conditioners, the entire coach, and they have already been through with the solar and everything over 32 hours of runtime. This is the baddest beast on the planet, and we've done multiple ones here at MasterTech, America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, and renovation center.